This is not a food video. This is a high-speed biscuit manufacturing system. Biscuit manufacturing is a continuous FMCG process where automation and control define efficiency and profit.
Here, mechanical engineering, thermal control, and digital systems operate as one.
Biscuit is a low-margin, high-volume product that requires uninterrupted continuous production.
Any interruption immediately impacts output and cost. Stability is engineered through systems, not people.
Biscuit ingredients are handled as bulk industrial materials.
Ingredients are weighed automatically with high-precision load cells.
Biscuit recipes are issued digitally from MES.
ERP generates production orders based on demand forecasting. No manual weighing. No exposed material.
Smart biscuit manufacturing begins with data.
Biscuit dough is mixed using continuous or load cell-equipped mixers. Dough rheology is monitored in real time. Dough flow remains uninterrupted. PLCs regulate mixing parameters precisely.
Every biscuit batch is digitally traceable.
This is industrial process control, not manual preparation.
Biscuit forming defines product geometry.
Rotary molding transfers shape mechanically.
Wire cutting ensures consistent biscuit weight.
Sheeting and cutting operate in mechanical sync.
Servo systems maintain positional accuracy. Scrap dough is automatically recycled.
Human intervention is eliminated. Biscuit geometry is controlled by engineering, not eyesight. The tunnel oven is the core of biscuit manufacturing.
Biscuit ovens use multi-zone thermal control.
PID control loops regulate each thermal zone independently for stable biscuit baking. Conveyor speed defines the baking curve. Biscuit color development results from controlled heat transfer, not visible temperature extremes. Energy efficiency is continuously optimized. Small deviations scale into major losses.
Baking is applied material science under controlled industrial conditions.
Biscuits must cool before packaging.
Cooling controls temperature and moisture.
Cooling parameters are digitally configured. Controlled cooling relieves structural stress.
Improper cooling causes downstream failure. This stage is critical for biscuit integrity. Quality control is inline and continuous. Visual systems verify biscuit consistency. Weight compliance is checked at full speed.
Defects are removed automatically.
Data reveals process trends. Data corrects root causes.
Packaging systems are designed to carefully protect biscuits, preserve product integrity, and ensure safe handling during storage and transportation.
Primary biscuit packaging is fully automated, using product-specific biscuit box systems.
Secondary packaging matches line speed. Case packing is synchronized.
Palletizing completes production.
Throughput depends on coordination. Biscuit production extends into logistics. Each biscuit pallet has a digital identity. Storage is system controlled. Logistics preserves biscuit quality.
ERP plans. MES executes. WMS distributes.
All layers communicate in real time. Biscuit manufacturing is system engineering.
This is how a biscuit factory operates as a fully integrated, smart manufacturing system.